Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, no eating, drinking, sleeping, or smoking, or white t-shirts, no talking while the judge is talking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Morning, Judge.
Buenos días. La Corte del Honorable Juez Sean Perkins entra en sesión. Por favor, mientras que la Corte esté en sesión, estén derechos y sentados en un solo lugar, apropiadamente vestidos. No se acepta ningún tipo de camiseta sin mangas. No pueden estar comiendo, ni fumando, ni tomando nada, ni pueden tener ninguna cobertura en su cabeza, ninguna gorra o cachucha nada en la cabeza que no sea por razones religiosas o médicas. Gracias.
I'm trying to see. Do you want me to interpret that in Arabic, Your Honor?
You can.
Okay, ممنوع الكلام، ممنوع الأكل، ممنوع الشرب، ممنوع تتكلم والحاكم عم يتكلم. وبده يظل الواحد ساكت لا ينحكى معه. تمام؟ I don't know if he heard me.
Yeah, he hears you.
Okay.
All right. Zoom user, good morning to you. Unmute yourself, please. State your name.
La persona en el Zoom user, usuario del Zoom, por favor, señor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre.
Giancarlo González
¿Perdón?
Buenos días, Giancarlo González Morillo.
No, señor, usted ya tiene el nombre. No,
ya.
No.
Gracias.
El Zoom user.
Gracias.
Just let you in the room. I'm sending you the prompt. So unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Zoom user.
Por favor, Ajá.
Okay.
Okay, now I got it. I got it now. I wasn't able to unmute it.
No, it's not you I'm sending that to. I'm sending this to another person. It's got Zoom user as their title down, as their in the name spot. All right, I'm gonna put that person back in the waiting room. They're not responding. All right, let's get going. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please, for the record? Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well.
Your Honor, may I ask if Mrs. Rocio Lopez needs interpreter?
You may.
Señora Rocio López, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
No, estoy bien.
Ok, ¿y Cecilia Galván? No.
All right, there's the Zoom user. Sir, what is your name, please?
Jason Lewis.
Jason Lewis, good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
All right, let's get going. It's gonna, what I'm gonna do is do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Está bien, señores, vamos a comenzar. Voy a tratar de hacer esto lo más rápido posible y lo voy a estar llamando en el orden en que se registraron.
بحاول طلعكم بأسرع وقت حسب ما دخلتوا أول واحد تاني واحد.
This is the city of Detroit versus Luis Garcia. Godinez, this is case number SP 1741871, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your
Este es el
full name.
caso. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis García, número de caso 774-1871-2. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Este es el señor Berry Jr. representando al señor García. Señor García, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Luis Gustavo García Godínez.
My name is Luis Gustavo García Godínez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Señor, está bien, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para su consulta previa al juicio. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a un juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala número 2.
Ok.
Apriete. Join breakout room. Perfect. Thank you.
Is Jada Griggs here? City of Detroit versus Latrice Livingston, case number SP 177-96431. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Latrice Livingston.
Good morning, Ms. Livingston. Today is the date
Good
and
morning.
time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counsel. Did we lose Ms. Harris? I think we lost her. Mr. Thornborough, Bob, you can go to the room 4 and work something out with the city attorney.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
If the officer appears.
Okay.
All right. For purposes of arraignment on Ms. Livingston, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Livingston, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Okay. Then he lives on top. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone?
Yeah, on Tamia Gentry, we're requesting a bench trial date.
City of Detroit versus Tamia Grace Gentry, case number SP 1773001. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, P number 69167, on behalf of Miss Gentry. You unmute and state your name, Miss Gentry.
Tamia Gentry.
We're especially requesting a bench trial in this case.
All right, good morning, Ms. Gentry.
Good morning.
The bench trial date, good morning, Mrs. Horn.
Good morning,
The bench trial
Judge.
date is going to be November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm trying to.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, do you have anybody else? I guess not. Ms. Gentry, you're free to leave November the 21st at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
The Master Sergeant, Worther is here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. I'll put you in on one, and Ms. Horn is gonna come see you if she, the defendant is here.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
Okay.
you. I'll just wait on Miss Matthews.
Now, let's go back on the record with Ms. Livingston. Ms. Livingston, Ms. Harris, is my understanding, Ms. Livingston has valid documentation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Antoine Green, case number U725814425. Harris, for the record, please.
How you doing, sir? Antoine Green.
Sherika
No,
Harris.
that's a different Antoine Green.
Oh,
Where's the
Okay.
other?
I'm right here, Your Honor.
So, go ahead, Ms. Harris. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Antoine Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. No, Ms. Harris, there has not been a request for an appointed attorney. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, sir, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's go to trial.
What was the last thing you said, Your Honor? You faded out there. I'm sorry.
You have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an offer, but if she gives you an offer, if you don't want the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Not a problem.
Your Honor, is there anything written on the ticket?
It is. Ms. Mathis, you want me to get her? Here, Green, and give that to Ms. Harris. Okay. It's coming
Thank
to
you. Thank you.
You're welcome. funeral session a couple of months ago. White, the horse-drawn carriage, and they were just had the whole. They were going down Chandler Park, had all the streets blocked off, just twerking out the window.
Oh, yeah.
Counting money, and I was looking like the worst thing I saw was the horses looked like they were starving. I was like, oh.
They was throwing money out.
No, they were just counting stacks of money.
Oh, yeah.
It was just like, I was like, man, that's.
Your Honor, and I just want to talk to the officer to see what made it disorderly, honestly.
Well, you can't be hanging out when you're driving. Then the bus driver, he got so mad that he just passed us all up on the wrong side of the street and just over through the two funeral procession.
Wow. Oh, my gosh. Wow, who's that?
Through the funeral procession.
I got clients on the road. That's a bit much.
It was a lot. It was a lot.
He got a timeline, he got there.
He got a job.
I know.
He got a job.
Damn right. I say the horses. Look at
They were looking bad.
They was like a map.
Oh, Miss Warren don't see them for that.
How you doing, sir?
Marvin O, good morning to you.
Morning.
What's your last name, sir?
O'Neal, sir.
O'Neal. O'Haver. You were supposed to be here yesterday.
Yesterday.
O'Neal, is that O-N-E-A-L?
O-N-apostrophe-N-E-A-L.
O-N-apostrophe-E-A-L, Marvin. Let's see.
They Friday.
That's this afternoon, you're supposed to be here at 1:30.
At 1:30?
Yeah, I can set you up, probably want to appoint an attorney for this, I don't know. We can arrange, I can get you an appointed attorney, get you another court date right quick. You don't have to come back.
That'd be highly appreciated, sir.
City of Detroit versus Marvin O'Neal, case number SP1524. I'll strike that. Okay, yeah, SP1806119, counts 1 and counts 2. That's in the afternoon.
Oh, after.
State your name for the record, Mr. O'Neal.
Marvin Allen Akiba O'Neal.
Okay, the day of date and time we'll call it is set for an arraignment. We'll call the time set for an arraignment. Mr. O'Neal, I'm gonna appoint an attorney for you. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for November the 14th. November the 14th at 8:30 a.m. That date is set for you to for that attorney to have contact with you. If that attorney does not have contact with you by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. You can either say your name over the YouTube, or you can put it in, your number over the YouTube, or you can put it in the chat, whatever you feel more comfortable with.
313-909-4127.
4127-313-909-4127. All right, Ashley, if you don't recognize one of those calls, should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you for you. All right, November the 14th at 8:30 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, thank you, sir, and your chamber as well.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Green, same thing. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. And you need to answer the calls and check your emails for that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is going to be November the 14th, 2025 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay. This will be another, that the next date, it'll be Zoom, correct?
It'll be Zoom, yep.
Oh,
Get well
okay.
soon. Get well soon, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
As well. All right, City of Detroit versus Lucio Angelica Lopez, case number SB 178-95521, SB 178-95531. Appearance for the record, please.
Rocio Lopez, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lopez.
All right, date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to give you an updated offer, Ms. Lopez. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Thank you.
Join the room, but pass the matters. Who was for O'Haver yesterday? Was that Johnson? Was that? No, he was set for trial. See if you have
O'Haver is here today.
O'Haver is here today. That was sorry.
That was Messiah.
Yeah. See if you can find him.
Oh, yes, I do.
Ready on Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, let's go back on the record. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor.
Está bien, señor García, volvamos con su caso se llama nuevamente para que conste en el acta. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Your Honor, pursuant to the prosecutor, all of these matters are to be dismissed.
Su señoría, de acuerdo a la fiscalía, todos estos cargos van a ser desestimados.
Okay, thank you.
All right, case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, el caso ha sido desestimado, que tenga buena suerte.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Jean Moreno Gonzalez, case number SP 1757023, 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Juan Carlos González Morillo. Your Honor, will you please repeat the case numbers?
SP 1757023, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Your Honor. Este número de caso SP 175-7023, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
Woodbury Jr. representando al señor González.
Disculpe, Emma, ¿me puedo salir ya?
Disculpe, Emma, may I leave now?
No.
Yes.
Sí, señor. Se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, state your name for the record, please.
Señor González, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Giancarlo González Morillo.
Good morning, my name is Giancarlo González Morillo.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond.
Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a establecer una fianza de $0.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor González, yo le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta que si no está de acuerdo, no le gusta esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Find a room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, únase a la habitación. Is he there? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I'll give you speak to counsel. Counsel, what does the client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over with the misdemeanor matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lopez?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, so with that stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis for that responsible to the client you have.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for the disregard of the red signal, amended from the disregard of the red signal and dismissing the other matter. When $125, when can you pay it, Ms. Lopez?
I can pay it Monday.
Okay, Monday is the 3rd of November. Pay it by November the 3rd. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lopez, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You have a very good day, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Chinyu Okori, state of Michigan versus Chinyu Okori, case number SX 459-43511. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Chinedu Okori.
Chinedu Okori. All right, good morning to you, sir. Day of being time set for a pre-trial. No appearance. There hasn't been a request for an appointed attorney. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Okori, with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer yet.
Thank you, sir.
Let us know what you want. Pass the matter.
Well, she gave me a call.
I'm getting a Cadillac of treatment up here today, Mr. Thomas.
As he's been getting.
Mr. Ogletree, are you there? Oh, you might be talking to this one.
Okay.
He had a trial. He wasn't here.
Oh, from yesterday.
Go get a call. I'm sorry.
I think I emailed.
So we don't have to ask for another.
I bumped into a lady on the elevator on the way here. She said, are you that guy that was telling us what to do? What's the instructions for the judge?
Oh, you mean the judge Perkins?
Yeah. I said, yes, ma'am. She said, I saw him on the news.
They said they can go coming out to the counter requesting you. I want Judge Perkins to have maybe other letters.
Do that.
They said they'd be mad. I
Oh,
mean,
God.
yeah, what? Maybe not. They don't want the.
And people in there don't want to be bothered.
Coming out and requesting all of you.
Rodriguez. Where's Rodriguez? Is he me? We're just waiting on a lawyer. You ready, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready as to Mr. Gonzalez.
What is he gonna do?
Accept the offer of the people, limited access 1 to 5.
Oh, Haber is here.
Oh, Haber, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to limited access, 1 to 5 is the offer.
Yes, Your Honor. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Vamos, señor González, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿cuál es la oferta? Acceso limitado entre 1 y 5, sí, su señoría, esa es la oferta.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket, take the deal, Mr. Gonzalez.
Señor, ¿y usted quiere tomar esta oferta de resolución que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel.
Abogado, ¿quiere hacer las estipulaciones estableciendo las bases de hecho para esta multa?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y con la estipulación de la causa probable para los mismos, voy a desestimar entonces los otros 2 cargos.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, estipulado está.
With that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 1 to 5. It's going to be $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Gonzalez?
Señor González, entonces le voy y señor Berry, voy a encontrar a su cliente responsable de la infracción de ir en un acceso limitado entre 1 y 5 millas por sobre el límite aceptado y permitido, y la multa es de $125, señor González. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo para pagarlo? Mañana, pues. Mañana puede ser.
How much time do I have to pay? Tomorrow? Can I pay tomorrow?
And pay it by Monday, sir, Monday, November the 3rd. You pay it, DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. There's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar hasta el lunes, pero el lunes tiene que estar pagado.
No, lo voy a pagar. Voy ahorita.
Usted lo puede pagarlo hasta el lunes.
Voy ahorita. Dígale que ahorita voy y lo pago.
Y puede pagarlo en persona o puede pagarlo en los kioscos DivDat. Eso es las 2 mejores opciones que yo le puedo dar.
No, ahorita voy y lo pago allá donde.
I will go right now and pay in person.
Okay.
Está bien, señor. Se puede retirar.
Ya. Voy, lo pago y ya.
I go, pay it, and I don't have to come back.
You don't have to come back.
Sí, señor. Usted va, lo paga en persona en la taquilla y ya pagado, no tiene que volver a comparecer, ya está listo.
Ya me desistirme en todos los casos ya.
Okay, so that will be everything closed and the other 2 will be dismissed.
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Bueno, perfecto. Muchas gracias.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Está bien, señor. Que tenga buen día. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias. Chao.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Berry, another, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Guadalupe, case number V13907725, V13907825, V13907925, V13908025, V13908125, and V13908225. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit con el señor José Guadalupe Patiño. Todos los números de casos nombrados por el juez. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guadalupe.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señora Guadalupe, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
José Guadalupe Patiño.
José Guadalupe Patiño.
Good morning, Mr. Guadalupe. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Señor, vaya a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa que si no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, señor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Okay.
Is there?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here for Jose Guadalupe.
Oh, Investigator Barnes, you are okay. Very good. I'm gonna put you in breakout room. The city attorney, you can speak if you need to speak with the city attorney.
Yes, sir.
Investigator Barnes, put your name on the record for Jose Guadalupe. Name, badge number, department, please.
Yes, sir. Investigator Barnes, badge number 27, Animal Control Department.
For if it's necessary, you may want to set another court-day trial there or something. Go to room 1. I'll let Miss Horn know that you're here.
Okay, yes, sir.
What's O'Haver gonna do?
Set it over for bench trial, Judge.
Zoom user, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Jason Lewis, my phone died. I got disconnected.
All right, very well.
Okay.
You haven't lost your spot.
Great, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Khadijah Marie O'Haver, case number SB 174-1383, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Franklin State, P 87848. I'm not from Ms. O'Haver. Straight pulling for the record, ma'am.
State your name. All right. Ms. O'Haver, you can't miss another court date, all right?
I know, I apologize. I thought it was today.
Come back on November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Nothing further.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, anything else?
That's all I have.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning as well.
All right, have a great weekend.
You as well. You guys too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Okori. Mr. Okori, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes.
Your Honor, my client is requesting the appointment of counsel. I am placing his contact information in the chat. One moment, please.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Okori?
Yes, sir.
All right, you need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is going to be November the 14th, 2025 at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have any further questions, sir?
No.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Aaron Litter. Grable, case number U713590025, appearing for the record, please.
Aaron Grable, I am here.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good morning, Mr. Grable. The time set for a pre-trial, put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Here, you can send Ms. Harris a copy of the ticket, and no, there has not been a request for an appointed attorney. All right, Mr. Grable, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. It's past the hour. Whoop tab. Can you, what is your name, ma'am? Good morning to you. Unmute yourself, please. What is your name, ma'am? Oh, whoop tab.
I can't share the live real quick.
Maybe they want to come in a minute.
Amir Al-Fahadi.
Morning.
Good morning to you.
Good,
How can I help?
Checking in for Blake Graham.
Blake Graham?
Correct.
I don't believe that individual has checked in.
It's a traffic ticket. I'm just appearing on his behalf. I don't think he'll be checking in.
Oh, I see. Blake Graham. Was that yesterday?
No, it's
9:30.
Okay.
What is that 8:47?
I have to give, I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. I don't know why it's got set for 9:30, but I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. If the officer does not appear, you know what to do. The officer does appear, we'll get you in a breakout room and try to retry.
Fair enough. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
He's got a misdemeanor. I don't know what it's set for. Whether he's had this, he's got a warrant out for this misdemeanor that he had.
You have the case number for that one?
SP 15126661.
SP 15126661.
Yes,
Okay. And is it in front of this court too?
it would be.
I'll take a look into that. Thank you.
Yeah. Good morning.
Mr. Ogletree, are you ready?
We're
Jamar,
ready.
Jay Lamar, he needs to come out of that.
Well, I told him to.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Blaine Lamar. Case number SP 121-91541. SP 137-1225, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, on behalf of Mr. Lamar. Mr. Lamar, can you please state your full name?
Jalen Lamar.
Respectfully requesting a bench trial date.
Morning to you, Mr. Lamar. The bench trial date will be November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, hope you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any plans?
Buenos días.
You don't have the plan for the check. Eagle. The Eagle flies on Friday. Saturday is time to play. Sunday we'll all kneel down and pray for that stuff we did on Saturday.
Oh, okay.
You don't know that song?
I never heard that. The eagle fly.
The Eagle flies and the check.
Oh, with the, oh, okay.
Who was that? The Dramatics?
Oh, that's.
Oh.
Buenos días.
Buenos dias. Un momento.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, I tell her all the time. Oh,
Your Honor, did the officer appear for the?
Yeah, he did. We're waiting on them to negotiate. Ms. Horn went to another room.
Okay.
It says they call it stormy Monday, yes, but Tuesday just as bad. They call it stormy Monday, yes, but Tuesday just as bad. Wednesday worse, but Thursday almost sad. Eagle flies on Friday, Saturday I go out to play. The Eagle flies on Friday, Saturday I go out to play. Sunday I go to church. Rose's iPhone.
I'm sorry. Let me see if I can change my name. But my name is Latasia Lowe.
Latasia Lowe, I'll change it, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Latasia Jean Lowe.
Yes.
yeah.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer.
Swallowing the small, the quiet.
It's a saying, right?
Always a shadow. Against each other.
See, that's another person that's got another date. Tickets.
Just thinks. Instead of roll the dice or one bet away. It was a sharp, silent.
Not this weekend, I don't, Judge. They feel like they go so fast.
Oh, they do. They're almost into you.
I look up and it's Sunday night.
Joseph Lindsay, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Do you have a copy of insurance you can show me? Valid insurance?
Send to your email.
When did you send that?
At 6:30.
Well, what email address did you send it from? You say that you went out.
JR Lindsay at Gmail. I mean JR Lindsay 26 at gmail.com.
For some reason it's not allowing me to, I got your email. For some reason it's not allowing me to pull it up.
Oh man. Well, I think I sent it twice too.
Yeah. You want to hold it up or you want to send it, try to send it another way?
What other way you want me to send it? I can any way you want me to.
If you can put it in the chat so I can see it in the chat. I don't know why it's not pulling up here.
Because when I try to screenshot it, it won't take the picture. So I had to send it through the
You want to just hold it up so I can see it? Or your information will be out, there, so I can understand if you don't, but want to hold it up, you can, but other than that, let's see.
Don't have a
You said it a couple times. Wait a minute, that's better driving. Oh, you've been here before. All right. That's all I have is email address, and you can send it to you can put it in the chat, send it to me directly in the chat.
Judge, can I get a second before we go to the next case?
Right. Can you see the people and stuff? Okay. So, just document insurance.
I'm back to the judge.
They take a picture of it with the camera.
I don't know how to do it. Yes. Adobe Scan.
Sorry, Ms. Hernandez. Let me send you the correct documents. An email without the attachment.
You can let them know.
Mr. Lindsay? Can you hear the court, Mr. Lindsay?
It might be gone now.
What was Jonathan?
His insurance.
Yeah, that's his ID card. Creating a sharing PDF. Mr. Lindsay,
Yes, ma'am.
we were trying to open up your email, but did you send the attachment with your email so we can view it?
I'm about to put it in the chat. I had to take a screenshot of it. I'm sorry.
I mean, you sent the screenshot, I mean, you sent the email, but you didn't send the screenshot like the attachment so we can open up. So you might want to try it again.
Okay, I just added it to the chat.
You got it.
City of Detroit versus Joseph Ronald Lindsay III, case number SP 179033991. State your name for the record, please.
Joseph Lindsay the third.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a good day too.
Thank you. What?
In Detroit, then that would come up. Say something.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grable. Mr. Grable, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting the appointment of counsel. I am placing his contact information in the chat.
Come on, yeah, the Perkins here.
All right, yes, what you want to do, Mr. Grable?
And from my understanding, there are quite a few things that have to be discussed, and a lawyer would be needed to do so.
Very well. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of November the 14th, 2025. That date is just set to make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that time, then we will get one appointed to you on the spot on that day. I just need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Is there any chance that it'll come through as spam?
I have no clue.
Okay.
I guess there's always a chance of that.
Yeah.
That's why you have to answer the calls you don't recognize, and hopefully that one is that appointed attorney, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Grable, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I have a moment?
You may.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Blake Colby. Strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Blake Colby Graham. And the city of Detroit versus Blake Colby Graham. Case number SX 455-31121 and SP 151-26661. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Amir Al-Khalidi on behalf of Mr. Graham.
Can you, Mr. Eckley, can you put your P number on the record, please?
82761. Your Honor, for S6 455-31121, we're moving for a motion to dismiss.
All right, your client's presence, you indicated to the court that your retained counsel, you have authority to enter into the agreement on the client's behalf.
I do have authority, yes.
I waive the client's presence, and based on that representation, and there's there a trooper little, not too many people in the courtroom today. Hearing no response, I'll grant the motion to dismiss. As for the other misdemeanor, are you going to represent him on that as well?
I have not talked to him about that yet, Your Honor. I did speak to him, and I discussed his options, and I'm waiting for him to get back with me on that.
Well, what I'll do anyway, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and I'll get the trial date for that date. Whether you represent him or not, tell him he needs to be back on November the 14th, 2025. He owes 3 other civil infractions that seem like they're all related, but those are long in default. So he has an absolute right to a trial. As a matter of fact, he has a valid license.
Correct.
We need to see him. Just tell him to come in November 14th, all right?
If I can get him on Zoom right now, would be able to take care of that
Yeah, if you're gonna take care of it now, if you're really to represent them now, I'll just go ahead and dismiss this.
Then let's do that, Your Honor. I'll do it pro bono on his behalf.
I'll dismiss this for providing, run it again. Did you already run this today? Yes.
Yes, I did.
Provided, man, I'm getting cat-like treatment up here. Valid documentation. All right, best of luck to you, counselor. I'll waive the warranty. He still owes 3 civil infractions, okay?
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a great day. Yeah.
Ready.
All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Jada Marie Griggs. Case numbers SP 745731, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 745734-1, SP 177, strike that, strike that from the rest. SP 1745731, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1745734-1, SP 1771982, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1772040, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Jada Griggs.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Griggs. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. See if Ms. Griggs has a valid driver's license, so she probably. See if Ms. Griggs has a valid. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
You're here for Michael Caban, Mr. Ogletree. Bring someone to you. Mr. Ogletree.
Genevieve? Genevieve? Yes, yeah.
David Ordóñez?
Hold on a second. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs. Ms. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting an adjourned pre-trial. She does have an appointment with the Secretary of State today.
Well, let's just set it for trial.
That's fine, Your Honor.
That'll give her more time. Trial date is going to be November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Good luck to you at the Secretary of State, Ms. Griggs. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Did you hear that, Ms. Griggs? All right, Mercedes Lowe.
Yes, I did. You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mercedes Lowe.
Yeah,
Good morning to you.
good morning.
Do you see a Mercedes Lowe on the docket?
Yes, Your Honor, at 8:30.
8:30? Okay, there's Mercedes Iris Lowe. Okay, good, thank you. City of Detroit versus Mercedes Iris Lowe, case number SP 177-80061. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lowe. Please state your name for the record.
Mercedes Iris Lowe.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Are you ready on Mr. Gavin, Mr. Street?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Michael Deshaun Gavin, case number SB 176-97711. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, bound for Mr. Gavin. P number 69167. Mr. Gavin, can you state your name?
Michael Deshaun Gavin.
Respectfully requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, trial date is going to be the 21st November at 9 a.m. Mr. Gavin, if there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good one. Have a better one. Zoom user, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Ryan O'Neill.
All right.
Okay. Can I get
Something nothing up there.
I have you muted, Mr. O'Neill, so you don't have to worry about it.
You didn't take this one.
Hold me up.
Remember it.
She said, you didn't say.
And what is it, 313?
I already texted her. You need to- you gotta do it.
Is it 595?
Mhm.
5445?
Yes. You answered you young.
It's gonna be for lunch. Anything was yesterday.
Yeah, yes. Turn rainbow stuff. I'm like, what's the rainbow stuff? It's cold. Come on, happy like.
Everybody don't make good cold stuff.
I said. It sounded happy though.
I thought it was something else.
I was like, rainbow sound, that sounds fun.
I was thinking something totally different.
I'm gonna go upstairs. I'll be back. I might zoom in from upstairs.
All right, Jim.
If,
You been on the files you did?
yeah. I'll be back now.
Okay.
So, Ms. Florence, she comes in, put her in the room. We only have a few people.
It's 2:23.
Recess, Judge?
Recess.
Court is in recess.
For just a moment, because I'm the first Florida, we can show you the testimony of Alicia Andrews, our editor, the board really fast. This is the example, I took you to a break, and when we come back, we will roll out her testimony, and for my opinion, on the contrary, by not even freedom, this is not a capital case with respect to her, but it is for her other 4 co-defendants, her case going separately, going first. Not sure the thinking by these prosecutors did not try the other 4 first. But obviously this is a strategic move of some sort. So we will pause it here. We'll hit that break. When we come back, Court TV Live rolls on.
And if we have both Medicare and Medicaid, I have some.
Are you ready, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor, I was actually going to ask if you wanted me to start on someone else. I sent Ms. Horn a message, so I'm just waiting for a response.
Okay. Can I be heard? I'm sorry, I didn't have to know that was in the background.
Yes, we can hear you.
I'm
For
sorry.
sure.
I muted you.
All right, let's go with City of Detroit versus Cecilia Guadalupe Galvin. Case number SP 1420676, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 144-65502. SP 162-59071. SP 1755201, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1767984, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1767985, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1769143, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1792679, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1792718, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1794850, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Cecilia Galvin. Please state your name for the record.
Cecilia Galvin.
Okay, Ms. Galvin, I'm gonna say this. You gotta, if the allegations are true, you're gonna have to stop driving, ma'am. That's all it is to it. I counted, I didn't bring the docket up with me. I counted 20 cases.
¿Alguien que hable español?
She owes 2
Were there
reinstatement
things that
fees.
were
Well, no insurance proofs. One is $336, the other is $288, along with some other civil infractions. Ms. Harris, get Ms. Galvin an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Galvin, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Ms. Harris will come see you. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
you indicated 20. I only see 13 on the docket. So are the other ones civil infractions?
I'm sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 civil infractions. One is failure to secure passenger. The other is
That's on the
expired
docket.
plate. The other is 6 to 10 over the speed limit. Another expired plate. Failure to stop at a stop sign. Expired plate. Defective brake light. I think that should do it.
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
¿Algún intérprete, por favor? ¿Español?
Un momento, por favor.
Are we ready on Galvin?
Ready, Your Honor.
You ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Galvin. Ms. Galvin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting trial and/or formal hearing.
All right. Trial date / formal hearing will be November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m., Ms. Galvin. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. The city of Detroit versus Tierra Lot. Case number SP 179-07291. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lott, please state your name for the record.
Tierra
You have
Lot.
to- you have to unmute.
Okay.
Can you state your name, please?
Tara Renee Lott.
Tara Renee Lott. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris.
Today is a date and time set for trial. I would ask if this officer has appeared, and I believe it's Officer Al-Sadi, Alba Al-Sadi.
It's set for trial?
Did I say
Nope,
something?
I'm sorry. It's set for show cause. I'm so used to everything in that section being trial, so I
okay.
apologize. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lott, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Can I say something, sir?
You can say something after you speak to Ms. Harris. She may answer every question that you need, that you have, okay?
Okay, because this wasn't me. Okay.
It wasn't you?
No, somebody used my name, sir.
Okay, so let's set a trial date. We don't have to go any further then. We don't have to go any further, Ms. Lott.
I never received anything. I don't even know what's going on.
All right, speak to Ms. Harris.
Counsel?
Okay.
Speak to Ms. Harris, and then she can give you a little bit of a background, but we'll set a trial date November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay? I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5, have a conversation with her. If you don't have any more questions, you don't even have to come back into the main session, okay?
I might have some questions. Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Hello. Ah, ¿alguien que hable español, por favor?
Judge Perkins, I'm gonna step out the courtroom for just 1 second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hello.
Un momento, por favor.
Ms. Harris, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, you had a question?
I do. The question was with regards to Miss Lott's trial date. Could you give me that date again so that I can confirm that with her?
The 21st
21st.
of November at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Good.
Ms. Harris, you back?
I am. The question that I have, and it's the same message that I did send to Ms. Horn. I can't see the breakout room, so I don't know if she's in room 4, so I'll ask that first.
I know she has not showed back up.
Okay. And I know she may be busy with her other courtrooms as well and inundated with many messages. On Miss Lowe, she's indicating that this was her sister's car. I don't know if the court would prefer me to wait for Miss Horn or if we could resolve it without her.
I don't know what that's gonna resolve, well, whose car is it, what does it matter whose car it is?
Because it's a no insurance misdemeanor.
I thought, who is that?
That's Mercedes Lowe.
Oh, very well, yeah. Speak to Miss Horn on that. Miss Lott
Okay.
is gone now?
Miss Lott is gone. Yes, she has her date.
I thought you were, I got it confused. Okay, yeah, speak to Miss Horn. Are we ready on someone else?
No, that was the, I'm still waiting on Lowe.
Me. No, right there. Excuse me, is this Tangelo?
Yeah, you're waiting, ma'am. You want to start on someone else, Ms. Harris?
I can.
This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Bernard Gregory. Case numbers 257-627-991, SP 1802092, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1790582, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Mario Gregory.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in the client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gregory has additional cases that aren't on the docket. One being a driving license suspended, an unregistered untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and obstructed vision, civil infraction. Give Mr. Gregory an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gregory, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Can I get a Gregory's? Sure. All right.
Like you already said. Counselors.
Thank you, Judge.
So.
on Gregory.
Yeah. Yes. Ms. Warren was back, but now she's talking to the office.
Yeah, bring some chicken down there again, Monday. Workers extension.
I know.
You ready on Guadalupe?
Ready, Your Honor.
What's he gonna do?
To plead to one count of dog restraint, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
And is it under a delayed sentence at all?
Yeah, I'm sorry, yes, Your Honor. 6-month delayed sentence.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Guadalupe. Mr. Guadalupe, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el caso del señor Guadalupe. Your Honor, the interpreter is going to repeat the case numbers to be sure she had it right, okay? ¿Ve ahí?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, yes. Yes. Ok, los casos del señor Guadalupe, José Guadalupe son los números V 139-07-725, V 139-07-825, V 139-07-925, V 139-08-025, V 139-08-125 y V 139-08 225. Abogado Berry, que desea ser su representado.
No, just the case numbers were right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Señor Berry, que desea ser su representado.
My client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to one count of dog restraint and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Tu señoría, mi cliente quiere tomar el acuerdo presentado por la fiscalía de declararse de un cargo de haber tenido los perros sueltos, no debidamente con su cadena o su correa, y los demás van a ser desestimados.
Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Guadalupe?
Señor Guadalupe, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm that you'll tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura que usted va a decir o afirmar, va a decir solo la verdad, nada la verdad, solo la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa? Señor, ¿usted entiende? ¿Usted entiende eso, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que usted estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado le informó de sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Correcto.
Correcto.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando esta oferta que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien más le ha ofrecido a usted alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que hemos hablado aquí?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 12th, 2025, around 8 a.m. in the city of Detroit on Furnace Street. Did you own some dogs on that date and that time?
Señor, quiero llevar su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el 12 de septiembre del 2025 en la calle, a las 8 de la mañana en una de la calle. What's the name of the street, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Burn.
Bern. En la calle Bern de la ciudad de Detroit, ese día, esa hora, ¿ocurrió el hecho?
Sí.
Yes.
And did one of the dogs get out of the yard?
Y uno de los perros se salió del patio.
Sí.
Yes.
And it was off the yard, not on a leash, is that correct?
Y se salió del patio y no tenía una correa o una cadena, ¿correcto?
Sí. No digo.
Yes.
All right, I'm satisfied. You satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied.
Y yo estoy satisfecho, señor abogado, usted está satisfecho, también lo estoy, su señoría.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty to the dog restraint ticket, sir, which stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Está bien, señor, yo lo voy a encontrar culpable del cargo de que el perro no estaba bien asegurado, de ese solo cargo, y después de que su abogado estipule la causa probable, voy a desestimar el resto de las infracciones.
Okay.
All right, May 1st, you need to pay it by May 1st. And don't get any other trouble like this until May 1st. Or again, and we'll dismiss the case. There'll be a 6-month delayed sentence.
Señor, entonces usted tiene que pagar los $240 para el día 1 de mayo. Y para ese día 1 de mayo, si usted ya lo ha pagado y no se ha metido en ningún otro tipo de problemas como estos, entonces yo voy a desestimar todos los cargos. Esto va a ser lo que se llama una sentencia dilatada hasta el 1 de mayo del 2026.
Okay.
Okay.
And $240 is the fine. You need to pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Señor, y la forma en que usted puede pagar estos $240 puede ser viniendo aquí en persona a la Corte 36 de Distrito y pagarlo en persona, o bajar el app de los kioscos DivDat y pagarlos desde su teléfono con ese app, o pagarlos directamente en uno de los kioscos. Esas son las dos mejores formas que yo le puedo decir para que pague.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor, que tenga le deseo la mejor de las suertes y que tenga excelente día. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias, tú también.
Thank you, thank you to you all.
All right. One more, Ms. Hernandez. This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Alexander Ordonez Escobar. Case number SP 165-3686, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jonathan Alexander Ordóñez Escobar. Número de caso SP 165-36861, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Ordonez.
Mi nombre es Elwood Berry Jr., estoy representando al acusado. Señor Ordóñez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Abra su micrófono, señor Ordóñez. Open your mic, Mr. Ordóñez.
Señorita, primeramente mi apellido no es ese, es David Ordóñez Cuadros.
Miss, this is not my name. My name is Ordóñez Cuadros.
Y mi dirección es perdón, mi dirección es 40 a ver, un momento, por favor, veo mi dirección, por favor.
And I want to tell you my address. Give me a minute, please.
No, give me your, do you have a case number?
Señor, ¿usted tiene un número de caso?
Sí, el caso es SP 1653-6861.
Yeah, it is SP 165-36861.
Y mi dirección es 4179.
Jonathan Alexander Ordóñez Escobar, that's what it's coming up as.
Eso cuando mete ese número de caso, lo que sale es Jonathan Alexander Ordóñez Escobar.
Sí, justamente estoy leyendo este documento y aquí está ese nombre, pero no figura mi nombre, señorita.
Okay, I'm looking at that document and I can see that's the name, but that's not my name.
Recién ahorita me estoy dando cuenta.
I'm just you know, looking at this and realizing that's not my name. Señor, he was giving me his address and I couldn't get it, Your Honor. May
I
I
have
ask?
7431 Pitt Street.
Señor, ¿esa es la dirección suya?
Mi dirección es 4179 Dickerson Avenue en Detroit.
4179 Dickerson in Detroit.
All right, let Mr. Barry let Mr. Barry work it out for him. I'll put you in the breakout room. Mr. Barry, see if you can sort this out for Mr. Ordóñez.
Ok, señor Ordóñez, vamos a ir a una sala de consulta privada con el señor Berry a ver si él puede aclarar este asunto con usted.
Okay.
Por favor, acepte.
The case numbers that he's giving me come up to the name that we have on the docket, but he's indicating that that is not him. He's David Ordóñez, at least that's what is listed there.
Señor Berry, el número de caso que él me está dando concuerda con el número de casos que tenemos en la lista de causas para el día de hoy, pero el nombre, él dice que ese no es su nombre. Entonces, señor Berry, por favor. Señor, ¿y su Ordóñez es con Z?
Así es, señorita. Ordóñez con Z.
Yeah, and Ordóñez ends in Z.
Perfecto, diga.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, señor, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la invitación. Join breakout room. Apriete.
He's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mercedes Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I'm going to dismiss the case per city attorney.
Okay.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day and best of luck.
Thank you, you too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting trial and formal hearing date.
Okay. Mr. Gregory, trial date, November 21st at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. Is that Demija Giles? Give me the correct pronunciation. Giles, please. Is that
Damiaja Giles?
Damiaja Giles, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Damiaja Giles. Case number SP 1201313, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1788141, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Giles, please state your name for the record.
Damiaja Giles.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Giles has 3 other cases of no ops, an invalid, a no, of unregistered, untitled, and an improper plate. Ms. Giles also owes a no insurance proof of $288 and this improper display of plate, $126. Ms. Giles, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Attorney Stevens.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Horn is here now. Well, no, she's not, is she? Yeah, she's here now. So
Okay.
I think
You
we're
still need me?
covered. No, I think we're covered for now. You're more than welcome to stay if you don't have anything to do, but I do believe that you have a lot to do.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. Should be getting moving pretty good now. We're gonna keep the city attorney in here. Is Brianna Lewis here?
Yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Quiana Monet Lewis, case number SP 1639952, SP 178355592. Ms. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Tiana Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, today is the date and time set for review. See, you paid the 1 ticket and you're on your way to almost paying the other ticket. I'm gonna dismiss the 1. When can you finish the payment on the other?
No later than the 7th.
Of this month?
Yes. Well, November. November.
Are you gonna have it paid on the 7th?
You know, it may be before the 7th, but no later than the 7th.
Or you wanna come back on the 7th then? If you pay it that morning, we can close it out.
Okay.
All right, come back on the 7th. It won't be this long. I didn't realize you were here for a review. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
A review for November the 7th, 2025 at 8:25. And if it's paid like the other one, you don't have to come back. You can come back. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. How you doing?
Okay, thank you. You too as well.
Okay, Halloween, I'm so you're on the record, so. It's trick or treat, right? I gotta get rid of this stuff. I couldn't give it out enough at the office.
Which is my favorite.
Twixes? Oh. Take care, guys.
Thank you, everybody. Happy Halloween. So we're back on the record with Giles.
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Let's go back on the record with Giles. Ms. Giles, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pre-trial date. And the opportunity to pay any reinstatement fees up front.
Ms. Giles, I'm gonna let you pay this $45 reinstatement fee up front, but you're gonna put the expectation that you're gonna pay that entire ticket off. I'm not gonna set aside that default. But I want you to be able to get a valid driver's license, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of November 14th, 2025 at 8:30. Come on down to the courthouse. There's no better way. They're not gonna allow you to pay that except for you coming down to the courthouse and paying that in person. And then once you pay that, you need to go straight to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a valid driver's license, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day, November 14th. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
City of Detroit versus John L. Thomas Lake, case number SP 1194986, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1213381, SP 1230684, SP 1607603, SP 781726, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Karen Harris, for the defendant, please state your name for the record.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lake.
Here we are.
John L. Lake.
All right. Good morning. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lake, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Lake also owes a few no insurance proofs, along with a lot of other reinstatement, a lot of other civil infractions. 336 and 288 are the two things affecting him here with the 36th District Court with his license. All right, Mr. Lake, did he need? He fell off. He fell off. All right, pass the matter. Deontay Lentz. All right, Lake is back. All right, he's in the breakout room. We'll pass.
Yes.
Right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ordonez. Mr. Ordonez, Mr. Berry, could you figure this out for him?
The name, sir, is David Percy, P-E-R-C-Y, Ordonez Quadros. That's not hyphenated, it's just Ordonez Quadros. Quadros.
So he's saying that the ticket is not. Well, I'll let Ms. Sorry, Mr.
Well, it isn't. He has these tickets.
Hold on, let Ms. Hernandez do her job.
Oh, yes.
Ok, entonces él dice que entonces ese no es su nombre, eso no, los tickets que le dieron no se lo dieron a su nombre.
ahead, Mr. Bear.
Yes, Your Honor. With regard to the matters before the court for my client, we seek a bench trial date so that he can return with the documents.
Sí, con referencia a los tickets, con las boletas de infracción, nosotros estamos solicitando, su señoría, que nos den una fecha posterior para un juicio por jurado, para que él retorne con todos, vuelva con todos los documentos.
Well, we have to, if he's saying that this person is not his name, then what are we doing? Are we setting the trial date for identification purposes?
No, Your
Entonces,
Honor.
si él está diciendo que es los tickets que le dieron, él no es esa persona, entonces, ¿para qué estamos haciendo nosotros, tomando una fecha para un juicio por juez, identificar, ver realmente quién es él?
The tickets he has in hand are the tickets as listed on the docket for this, so he's not challenging the tickets, just that his name is not correct.
Los números de ticket que tenemos corresponden a los números de ticket que él tiene. Él lo que está disputando es que el nombre no es el suyo.
Well, it looks like more than his name is not correct because with all due respect, Mr. Ordonez, I don't believe he's born in 89 either.
Y bueno, pues no solamente está errado el nombre, porque con todo respeto, señor Ordóñez, aquí dice que usted nació en el 89. Yo no creo que usted haya nacido en
No,
1989.
yo soy de 1972. Tengo 52
No,
años.
I was born in 1972. I'm 52 years old.
So it's more than that, just the name that's the problem with these tickets. If he's not, the case number that he gave me, also he says that the street is not his, but that could have changed in the interim, but the birth date and the name should not have changed.
Exacto, entonces es algo más que solamente su nombre, porque también el número de la calle que me está dando es diferente al número de la calle que tiene la boleta.
Así es, señorita.
That's
Así es, señor
right,
juez.
Your Honor. That's the right, Your Honor. That's not the number, my address.
So where did the tickets come from?
Entonces, ¿de dónde salieron los tickets?
We can set a trial date and sort it out on the date of trial.
Yes, Your Honor, that's the way to proceed, I would think.
Bueno, entonces podemos seguir con un día para un juicio y ese día pues se determinará por qué razón está así. Sí, su señoría, yo pienso que esa es la forma de proceder.
Unless you want to speak to the city attorney again about this.
Well, I take that advantage. I take that option, Your Honor. I'd like to speak to her.
Sí, a menos que usted ahorita, señor Berry, su abogado, hable con la fiscal. Sí, su señoría, eso es una oportunidad que me gustaría. Déjeme hablar con la fiscal primero.
Okay, we'll tell her we have a name that's not correct. We have a date of birth that's completely not correct. And some other inconsistencies with the ticket. Join the breakout room, please, and see if you can talk to her.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Está bien, señor Berry. Por favor, hable con la fiscal e infórmele que tenemos un nombre que no es correcto, una fecha de nacimiento que no es correcto, aparte de otras cosas que no coinciden. Por favor, vuelva a la sala de consulta privada y hable con la fiscal. Do you want us
you can stay.
go there too? Okay.
No,
Podemos quedarnos aquí, pero ponga su micrófono en silencio.
Okay.
All right, are we ready, Ms. Harris, on Mr. Lake? Ms. Harris? Ms. Harris, I've been waiting on you.
I'm sorry, I must have missed it. I did need help getting Mr. Lake out of the breakout room.
Now, let's go back on the record for Mr. Lake. Mr. Lake, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, Mr. Lake, I'm gonna give you a trial date of November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Appreciate it. You as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay Lamar Lentz. Case number SP 159-04681, SP 176-97701, SP 178-9002, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Deontay Lentz.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, was counsel requested?
No.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. All right, Mr. Berry, did you get any response?
We need to set the matter for trial, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. Ordonez. Mr. Ordonez, we're gonna have to set it for trial and get this thing sorted out, okay?
Señor Berry, ¿habló con la fiscal? Sí, hablé con la fiscal. Vamos, ¿y qué desea hacer? Vamos a tener que llevar este caso a juicio. Señor Ordóñez, habla su micrófono. Señor Ordóñez, entonces sí, vamos a tener que darle una fecha para ir a juicio para poder esclarecer este asunto.
Okay, señor juez.
Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor, to write it down.
For the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Your Honor, I missed the first part, the month, November?
November the 21st.
First. Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Señor, ¿tiene que volver a comprar by Zoom, Your Honor?
Yes, you come by Zoom.
Ok, señor Ordóñez, tiene que comparecer igual que en el día de hoy, con el mismo número de ID de Zoom que utilizó hoy, el día 21 de noviembre del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok, ¿está bien?
Ok, that's very good.
Muchas gracias.
Ya se puede conectar. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Okay, Your Honor, so that's...
I think that's it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye-bye.
Good day. Have a great day. Mr. Berry, Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Jason Leo Davis Lewis, case number SP 1789728, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Lewis, please.
Jason Leo Davis Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lewis, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Lamontez O'Rear.
Yes.
Good morning. This is City of Detroit versus Lamontez O'Rear, case number SP 170901442. State your name for the record, please.
Lamontez O'Rear.
All right. Good morning. You're here because I'm in or not guilty plea on your behalf. Give you a $0 bond. You're supposed to pay this $240 and you never paid it.
Yes, I was really coming in today to try to get another week because I had to pay bills.
Is that all you need is a week for sure?
With my next payday, yeah, about a week, yeah.
Come back on our review on the November the 14th. Come back on November the 14th at 8:25. Pay at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, all right?
Okay.
Nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lentz. Mr. Lentz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lentz, some of the trial date. $11:21. It's gonna be 11, 7:10. All right, 9 a.m., Mr. Lentz, 11:21, 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus Antoine Demar Green, case number SP 1496281. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Antoine Green, unmute yourself, please. Take your hat off, please.
Yeah, how you doing, sir?
Take your hat off, please. State your name.
It's off. It's off.
Oh, state your name for the record, please.
Antoine Demar Green.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, and I'll note, I believe his screen is frozen.
All right, enter not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. You might want to run his license too. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jason Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, that was something like that. You want me to put it on the same thing? Let me put it on the same thing. All right, Mr. Lewis, November the trial is November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, please.
All right, you too. Thank you, sir.
Here's something that's come out.
Okay.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Trayvon
Loman, case number SP 133-73501. SP 163-21623, 19-277-4701. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Loman.
Trayvon Loman.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. I want to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Behind it, okay, great. Her license too?
Yeah, man. You see those, just the license thing.
Just whatever you have, just make a little list on there. And I can follow it.
Discretionary thing. You see just the license
Like
thing.
a driver's license.
Yeah, and there's not much more than that. When you see the laundry list, stuff, you'll see reinstatement. Automatic. But then you also see paying of reinstatement. All right, Mr. Berry, Mr. Lowe. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Berry, Mr. Lowe has a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor. And we would move for dismissal of all matter.
I ain't want 12. I want a 1021. That bitch came in 0517.
Wait a minute. Don't talk about your lottery here. All right, Mr. Lowe, I'm going to dismiss your cases. You still owe a lot of money in civil infractions. You know that, don't you?
Yeah.
Loman.
Loman. I'm sorry, Loman. Sorry. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to pay the reinstatement fee.
Excuse me. I paid the reinstatement fee.
Now, you still got some other reinstatement fees.
Oh, okay. Got you. Okay.
Misdemeanor case. I only see one more reinstatement fee on the misdemeanor case.
Okay.
All right, so you're going to have to pay those civil infractions. These misdemeanors are dismissed. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You do the same, John.
All right, take it easy. City of Detroit versus Leticia Jean Lowe, case number SP 142-4174, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lowe.
Latasia Jean Lowe.
Tasia, I'm sorry. Purpose of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lowe has a valid driver's license. She also has an old improper display of plate that went along with this ticket that's in default. I don't know if their city attorney is going to be willing to call it a wash or not, but you can check. Ms. Lowe, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. What's that? Yeah, I would say we need to do this.
What you say? Yeah.
You can have it your way. That tickles you, that tickles you.
They do. The Burger King. Right up and order some fries.
Lettuce, cheese.
Burger King. Just got them thinking it's Burger King. Jeez.
Him advice to right school. Oh no, he uses advice to right school. So, right. No, he doesn't. This is so. Someone from Mr. Genevieve. Yeah. He has an attorney. He was on the screen. Yes, he's been here all morning. I don't know.
Yes, I'm the interpreter.
I know you've been here all morning. I mean, this is those days where you have a light docket, but we're almost into the afternoon now. Mr. Lee didn't have anything problem with it because he came in super late, so it didn't matter. Mr. O'Neill, do you have valid registration and insurance? Or did I ask you that already? You have to unmute yourself, sir.
I heard my name. You weren't speaking to me, were you?
No, I was just talking at you.
Okay.
I was talking about how late you came in, how it doesn't matter how long we were here this morning because you just got here 15, 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates for the no insurance matter.
And the city did not give any regard to her having a valid driver's license and the fact that she owes a related civil infraction.
Well, I didn't take up the civil infraction. If I could have a moment, Your Honor?
You may.
It's 8:30.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Green.
How you doing, sir?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. I don't know if he hit the lottery or not, but what did he do with these cases?
There's a recommendation to dismiss the misdemeanor matter, Your Honor. And he is left to pay the remaining civil infractions.
Okay, Mr. Green, pay the civil infraction. I'll waive the warranty. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you much.
All right, take it easy.
Yeah, bye.
Excuse me, City of Detroit versus Ryan Javon O'Neill, case number SP 179-1876, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry, Jerica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Mr. Ryan O'Neill, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Yes. Ryan O'Neill.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. O'Neill, Ms. Harris is going to try to give you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I'm giving you, Mr. Berry, I'm giving you an opportunity again. The pretrial, what's the offer going to be?
The matters are to be dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, dismiss, ma'am. You just owe the 174. I'll pay the 174, okay? Ms. Lowe?
Yes.
Pay the 174, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, City of Detroit versus Kwame Lee, case number SP 178-55661. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Kwame Lee.
All right, Mr. Berry, I don't know, that's, you hear it all. I'm gonna send you a copy of this ticket. You can, so you can read it. There's taking time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lee, go to the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He may get you an updated offer, he may not, but he may, he'll advise. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Ms. Lowe, you're free to leave. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I'm giving you an opportunity.
Yes.
To come. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Respectfully requesting a trial date.
Trial date is November the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. O'Neill. If nothing further, very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay.
You got that?
Yes.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Ms. Rahal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Samara Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court.
Just afternoon now.
I know. I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
I do. I will.
Very well. Let's sit back and give them a few. I don't know why it's taking so long, but we'll give them some more time. And we'll see if we can get you out of here.
Okay. No problem.
I know at some point.
No problem. As long 1:30, I have a case.
We should be gone by then.
Okay.
Master Sergeant Werther, good afternoon. Did you, were you able to work something out?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. So basically with this case, like when I was talking to the prosecutor from before I got adjourned to this date, the actions of the gentleman were so egregious to where I'm like, we can't have a deal because, you know, the one way, wrong way was actually, he almost hit me head on. And if I wasn't there, he would have ended up on the freeway the wrong way. And this was during the outbound of LCA, Little Caesars Arena traffic. So I told her, said, we can't do a deal with this. If he doesn't want to plead to what it is, then, I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, it was just too egregious, his actions.
All right. Ms. Horn, are we ready on Mr. Genevieve?
Ready, Your Honor.
You've been ready. No, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
You speak any English?
No, speak Arabic. Samira's muted. She's talking. She don't realize she's muted.
مرحبا سيد أنا اللي مترجمة العربية.
مرحبا بك أهلا وسهلا.
فهمت علي؟ ما سمعتك.
مرحبا بك أنت أهلا وسهلا.
Thank you, thank you. You, hello to you and welcome.
He's a gentleman.
Yeah.
That doesn't have anything. There's no bearing on it.
أنت مرتب ورجال. إيه.
لا لأني لازم نتحمل المسؤولية في هذه الدقيقة.
I carry responsibility and I'm excited to deal with this responsibility.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Excellent. All right, I'm gonna get a set a pretrial date for you, Mr. Lee. That's gonna be set so that that appointed counsel has a time to contact you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by your next court date, which is gonna be November 14th at 8:30, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot. Do you want to put your number in the chat, sir, or do you want to say it out loud on, so, you know?
I've already provided it.
It's going into the chat now, Your Honor.
November 14th at what time?
8:30.
It's in the chat, Your Honor.
Ended in 5823?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. I'm gonna answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll appoint one on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Lee. Have a very good day. Next time, be on time.
Yes, thank you.
Well, what's going on with Counselor, Miss Horn?
I can go bring him out. Let's see.
Yeah, I mean, let him know we're ready. We're waiting on him. I don't see that microphone up there anymore.
It's over here now, Judge, ain't it?
Where?
Oh, it must have failed.
Did it fall?
It had to.
Or you took it, Miss Williams Law?
Judge, you're talking about the black long mic. I took it. I don't that wasn't one that I need for Zoom.
Okay. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus El Cajal Genevieve. Case number SP 177-322-21. Appearance for the record, please.
Samira Rahal interpreting Arabic for the court. قضية لسيد الكاحل الجنفيد SP 177-3221 المخالفة.
صح أنا أتعذر منه.
Yes, that's true. But I learned from this.
Counselor, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I think Ms. Horn goes first.
Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit.
سيدة تاميكا هورن من مدة عام لمدينة ديترويت.
Your Honor, Kurt Thornblad, on behalf of the respondent in this matter, Mr. Gnevdid, and I'm P25858.
سيد كورت ثورنبرغ أمثل سيد الجنفيد وأعطى أرقام كمحامي.
And Master Sergeant Jason McWhorter, Detroit Police Department, badge S1219.
وهيدا بيكون الشرطي من مدينة ديترويت اسمه وانتر سيد وانتر.
All right. Well, have we reached a resolution?
وصلنا لحل.
We have not, Your Honor, based on my last conversation with my client. Would the court entertain a motion?
لا وصلنا لحل حسب كلام مع الموكلة. معلي إذا اقترحت عليك سؤال أو اقتراح.
Well, always entertain a motion.
Thank you, Your Honor. The respondent moves to dismiss the the citation based upon it's not in compliance with the court rules or the state law. If you look at the section,
Wait a minute, you gotta give Ms. Brown an opportunity to judge.
الموكلة عم بيقول إنه حسب القانون تاعو الولاية مينا موجودة بالقانونات بإدارة القانونات. Okay.
Your Honor, under Michigan Compiled Laws annotated section 257742, a citation must contain the actual civil infraction alleged. If you look at the citation in this case, where it says authorization pending, it says 46-3-1. That's not an actual civil infraction. That's a general citation to the adoption of the motor vehicle code by the city of Detroit. And therefore it does not comply.
Well, you have to give her an opportunity. You're saying a whole paragraph. She's good, but
حضرت القاضي عم بيقول له حسب ما قانون مدينة ديترويت قانون 257742 مخالفة مدنية هاي مينا موجودة وبده يكمل بالكلام. مينا موجودة لينحكى في مخالفة مدني.
Okay, I'm listening.
Well, Your Honor, under the applicable statute, which I just cited, section MCL 257742, the proper way to fill out the form is to put into the authorization whatever the civil infraction the ticket is being issued for. In this one, in box 1, it says section 46-3-1.
43-1. اوكي. عم بيقول حسب القانون في بعد المتعبى الكلمات بالمخالفة حسب قانون NC 1254742. هذا القانون مخالف القانون، هيدا ما دخلت على المخالفة اللي أعطاه إياها الشرطي.
Section 46-3-1 of the Michigan Municipal Code is not a specific civil infraction and therefore doesn't give proper notice. That is just a section. You want to go ahead and interpret it? I'll be done in just a second. Go ahead.
هيدا مخالفة 46-031. هيدا مينو موجود بالقانون الولاية.
46-3-1 is just a general adoption of the motor vehicle code by the city.
رقم 631 هيدا تنزل حسب القانون المديني بس عن السيارة.
Section 257.742. What part of that code that Michigan compilated law are you citing? Which section? Or what parenthesis or what paragraph?
ظهر الحاكم بده يطلع على قانون ولاية ميشيغان وعم يسأله وين بأي صفحة موجودة هالقانون اللي عم تتكلم عنه 257742. رح يجاوب المحامي.
I don't have that specifically, Your Honor, but it's the part that says it must state the civil infraction alleged.
أنا ما عندي الصفحة حاليا لأعطيك إياها، بس بالاختصار بيقول إنه لازم يكون المعلومات موجودين على المخالفة من الشرطة بكتابة القانون.
I have here that it alleges that Mr. P violated section 257.641 down below that when it asked to list these codes.
أنا شايف إنه بيدعوا هون عم يقرأ كتابة القانون 257.641 بيقول إنه لحظة راح يكمل.
I acknowledge that, Your Honor, but my argument is based upon that the standard form is not filled out correctly. It's not in the right spot.
أنا عم جادل إنه مكتوبة غلط على المخالفة.
Mr. Horn?
سيد
Yes,
هورن.
thank you, Your Honor.
أوكي سيدة هورن عم يحكي معاه من المحامي من البلد. أوكي.
46-3-1 is the city's acknowledgement under the Home Rule City Act that it is adopting the motor vehicle code under MCL 257.
حسب قانون ولاية ديترويت 4631 هذا القانون اللي عم نمشي عليها.
Your Honor, also, it does state with specificity for count 1, driving wrong way on a one-way street.
كمان بيقول إنه سايق بطريق الغلط طريق اللي بس عليها مرور سيارة.
All right, I'm gonna deny your motion. I think that it gives full I don't think it's anything ambiguous about this. I think that anyone looking at this ticket and reading the entire ticket would know what the allegation is against them.
عم بيقول له المحامي اللي موكلينه لإلك إنه ما بعرف بس ما في شيء إنه الواحد يتردد عليها بالنسبة للقانون سايق شيء واضح إنه سايق غلط على الشارع.
Thank you, Your Honor. If I'm not in the immediate presence of my client, I just want to inquire, since I have made an argument to defend him, if he wants to admit to driving the wrong way in the one-way street, or does he want to go forward with the hearing?
شكرا. لازم اتكلم مع موكلي واسأله إذا بده يكمل بالقضية إنه هو كان سايق على الطريق الغلط ولا بيعارض.
So, Mr. Genevieve, you have two options. You can go forward with the hearing, or you can just admit responsibility. Which one would you want to do?
سيد بدك تكمل بالقضية ولا بدك تعترف إنه أنت مسؤول عن المخالفة؟
لا أنا بالنسبة لي أنا أريد المصلحة بس.
أنت شو؟
أنا أريد أن ندفع الفلوس ويشيلوا عن النقط هكذا.
My only concern is that I want to pay what I owe, but I just need, if there's any possible way that I don't have points on my record.
Not with this plea, sir. It's gonna result in points. I will say that the Secretary of State
مش بهالجواب أو بهالتهمة، بس بقول لك وزارة الخارجية
will assess your record
بيشوفوا ملفك
and you will be able to potentially take a class and get these points wiped away.
أخيرا بس تعرف وزارة الخارجية يعني مطرح ما حصلت على الرخصة هني رح يطلعوا فيها وبيجوز يطلبوا منك تاخذ صف لحتى تلغي هالنقيض.
أنا ذاك اليوم ملي بالغلط داخل ونوي بالغلط لأني زعلان من الشخص الذي أتيت له بأكل هنا بداون تاون وأخذ الأكل كله أكل الناس اللي كان معايا وصارت معاه بيني وبينه مشاكسات ولكني تأسفت على ما حدث وذهبت بالغلط يعني. أنا ذاك اليوم كنت نوصل الطعام لشخص في فندق هنا موجود في المنطقة.
Okay. I was on my way.
زعلان ذاك اليوم مش قصد مثل.
I didn't intentionally mean to do this mistake, but I was on my way to drop off some food for this person. And I was so upset with the people that were with me in the car that I did this by mistake. We argued together, and I ended up going on one-way street.
I mean, I sympathize with you, but the city attorney is the one that makes the offers, and apparently they're not willing to give you any relief. So you have the option of making them prove their case or just accepting responsibility.
أنا شاعر معك وبس مدعي العام يعني النيابية البلدية المحامية ما عم يعطوك شي تخفيض إلك حق تجادل هالقضية أو تحمل المسؤولية.
And Your Honor.
كيف نحمل المسؤولية؟
Okay, I would carry the responsibility.
And Your Honor. Madam Interpreter.
حضرة القاضي.
Thank you. Strike that. Thank you.
Okay, شكرا. كان راح تقول شيء. Okay.
Right. Your client indicated that he will carry the responsibility.
موكلك قال هو راح يحمل المسؤولية.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
Yes, I will, Your Honor. I will change the plea to admit responsibility with explanation.
قال له راح توافق إنه انعطى هالمخالفة حسب ما مكتوب ووصلتنا نحن. قال له نعم حضرة القاضي موافق معه إنه يحمل المسؤولية بشرح وشرح راح تشرح لهم.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible as charged, and I'll let you articulate your explanation, client's explanation.
قال له مازال هيك راح وافق إنه راح يحمل المسؤولية حسب ما المخالفة قدموا له إياها. وخليك تتكلم عن موكلك تدافع عنه.
Okay.
Okay.
Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. I think my client has admitted he was driving the wrong way on a one-way street. He indicates that he had become upset because of the attitude of the people that were around him in the car. He admits to having made a mistake.
بيعترف إنه عمل غلط علشان الناس اللي كانوا معه كتير يعني زعلوا وتشارعوا بالكلام وهو عارف إنه هو أخطأ.
And I wish to further add to that based on my client's statements, he's expressing an apology to Officer McWhorter.
وكمان بدي أضيف إنه الموكلة أنت كمان رح تعتذر للشرطي.
نعم.
Yes.
هم كلهم يعني ذاك اليوم زعلان وبالغير قصد مني.
Okay.
صاحب الشرطة انتظري، صاحب الشرطة ما قاله كله صحيح لأني زعلان، ما قاله كله صحيح.
Okay. Yes, I will admit that I was upset that day and I did do something wrong, but I don't think the police knew my situation.
Okay. All right. So with that being said, I think that, you know, a lot of times I allow people to take that driving course. And one of the things in the driving course says that your driving is kind of set by the attitude that you have before you get in the vehicle.
بالنسبة للسيارة البرنامج يلي بدك تاخده كمان لازم يكون قبل ما يطلع السيارة يكون عنده متحضر، يعني مسؤول عن الطريق اللي بيسوق فيها.
I think in this case, I think they could have even expand that in saying that your driving is effective, you know, when your attitude changes while you are driving the vehicle, and not just before you get into the vehicle.
حسب ما شرحت أنت إنه الطريق اللي سقت فيها لأنه كنت غضبان بالسيارة، هيك نحن فهمنا، يعني زعلان.
زعلان نعم لأني زلمي راح يزعل كثير، حتى أخذ الأكل اللي مش تبعه. أنا أخذت منه كثير لما ذهبت، بس كنت زعلان لا أعرف ماذا نفعل. أنا لا نشرب الدخان، لا نشرب المخدرات، لا نشرب الدخان، ولكني زعلت كثير.
I have nothing to do with drugs or with anything, but that person in the car just left, walked out, took his medication and left, or something. That's what I understood. أخذ كيس الدواء ولا كيس المخدرات, and I don't know nothing about this stuff.
لا نعمل المخدرات، لا نعمل شيء، بس أنا زعلني الشخص هو الذي معمل مخدرات، بس شخص هناك موجود قريب، يعني 4 دقائق والله 5 في هذه المحلات في هذه الإمارات.
Yeah, this person, I mean, he deals, he's very close. He's 4 minutes from here. He deals with drugs.
Okay, well, I think the moral of it is that if you get to the point where someone is upsetting you, you need to just pull over and either make that person get out, but in this instance, it caused you to make a move that luckily Master Sergeant McWhorter was there, and nothing further came out of any kind of tragic accident or anything like that.
عم بيقول القصة الأخلاق هو إنه أنت يا ريتك قلت له اطلع من السيارة أو وقفت السيارة لحتى رقد، وبفتكر من حظك إنه ما صار في شيء والشرطي كان موجود حتى ما يحصل شيء زيادة وأنت غضبان وزعلان.
لا، الشرطي ذاك اليوم أنا لا نحكي الإنجليزية، بس الشرطي طلبني في الدرايفر لايسنس واعطيتها له. ما الشرطي براسه هو يعرف انا ما اخذ له الدرايفر لايسنس بالعجله، لاني كل اضاعي كانت غضبانه، والشرطي براسه هو بيعرف. لما كلكسون علي انا ما راح نشوفه قاعد بينقضب، والله الخلعه المتينه اللي اخذتها من عند الزلمه صحيح كله.
This fell through, and the police knows because he was there. He saw that I didn't speak any English, but I did give him my license and whatever he asked. And he's seen the situation I was in, and I don't think أي شيء زيادة.
لا هذا هو ما حدث. لو كنت نعرف اللغة الإنجليزية أنا قاعد سنشكي من الشخص هذا، والله نقول له بأنني أنا منزعج من شخص هناك.
أوكي.
أقول اللي تبع لقد أعرف الإنجليزية هكذا، وهذا كان بالليل الساعة 10 ولا الساعة 11.
The language prevented me to explain to the policeman what the situation was going on and how feared I was from this person, but I couldn't because I didn't understand English and I couldn't express myself.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna fine you $130, sir. When can you pay it?
اوكي الجزا راح يكون $130. انتين فيك تدفعها؟
موجودة اليوم. أنا بدفعها في الوقت الحالي.
I'll pay it right now.
Okay. And hopefully the Secretary of State will allow you to take that class to get the points removed from your license, but that's gonna be something that's gonna be between you and the Secretary of State.
عم بيقول إن شاء الله بيتصلوا فيك وزارة الخارجية، يعني مكان اللي بتحصل الرخصة فيه هيدا المكتب إن شاء الله بيبعتوا لك رسالة لحتى تمحي وتلغي هالنقود، وإن شاء الله بيساعدوك. Okay?
All right, and Miss Mathis is gonna put this in the system. She's gonna give you some paperwork to go down and pay. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Genevieve, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you and you as well, Counselor. Thank you very much.
You have a good day, Your Honor.
Master Sergeant.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
قولي له سؤال على العنوان اللي فيه موجود مدة شهر، والله شهر ونص ما مش موجود فيه. ممكن نذهب إلى الدائم فيه
Please, before you hang up, let him know that I'm here for 1 month and then I'm out. Am I allowed to go out? Leave?
Yeah.
I guess.
This is a civil infraction, sir. It's not a criminal offense at all. It's a civil infraction.
أنت السيد، أنت ما أخذت مخالفة جريمة أو جنحة، هيدا بس مخالفة مدنية، فيك تروح وتجي مطرح ما بدك.
Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed the city of Detroit.
الفلوس وين ندفعها؟
Okay, he's asking where to pay it.
Downstairs at the payment counter, downstairs on the first floor.
Thank you.
أنت تاخذ الوثيقة من الكاتبة اللي قدام الحاكمة، نزلها لتحت على الطابق الأول في شبكيك، توقف بالصف هونيك. اوكي.
راح تبعث لي رسالة والله ما راح تبعث لي رسالة.